Yes, good morning, beta. Yesterday we had started chapter fractions and decimal. So let's continue with the division. In this, the first part is 0.4 will be divided by 2. So here we have two ways. Either you will remove this decimal and you will write, actually one digit is there after the decimal. So you will write 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Answer is 2 by 10, that is 0.2. And one more way is there, you can directly divide with 2. 0 is not, इसको divide करना है 0 को, तो it will be 0.2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Answer is 0.2. Next is 0.35. You can remove the decimal and you can put two zeros in the denominator. Actually, after the decimal, two numbers are there. After the decimal, two digits are there. So you can put two zeros here or you can divide directly. 0.3 is not divisible. 3, if you take single digit, 3 is not divisible by 5. So you will put 0 here. Now you can take two digits. 5 sevens are 35. Answer is 0.07. Is it okay? नहीं लिख सकते बेटा, क्यों लिख सकते हैं? क्या 7 पे डिवाइड तो हो रहा है, लेकिन आप देखो ना सिंगल डिजिट ले रहे हैं, 3 डिविजिबल नहीं है, तो इसलिए 0 लगेगा. ठीक है, चेक द आंसर. स्टार्ट नेक्स्ट. 2.84 2.84 divided by 4. 2.84 divided by 4. 2 is not divisible by 4. So you will put 0. ठीक है. 4 zeros are 0. Now this digit you will take with 8. It will become 28. 4 sevens are 28. Single 4 is left. 4 ones are 4. Okay. Next, 65.4 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. This 5 is not divisible by 6. Why? It is less than 6. So you will put 0 here and decimal will be kept as it is. This digit will become 54. Single digit की जगह double digit बन गई. 6 nines are 54. Answer is 10.9. Is it okay? Start next. 651.2 divided by 4. 14.49 divided by 7. Whenever single digit is not divisible, you will put 0. Decimal will be put as it is and single digit will convert to double digit. अटेंडेंस लिख लो, मेरे को पेज दे देना, मैं मार्क कर लूंगी. मैं मार्क कर लूंगी, आप मुझे लिख के दे दो ना पेपर पे. इस पे मत मार्क करो ना, अलग से रोल नंबर लिख के दे दो. प्रेजेंट वाले ना रोल नंबर लिख के दे दो ना. दोनों दोनों मैं मार्क कर लूंगी जाकर. वहां से नीचे से छोटी सी स्लिप ले लो पेज की बस. Now divide this. 4 ones are 4. 2 is left. आप लिख के भी डिवाइड कर सकते हो. 4 ones are 4. 2 is left. 4 6 are 24. 1 is left. Next digit is 1. 4 twos are 8. 3 is left. Decimal will be as it is. Next digit is 2. 4 8s are 32. Answer is 162.8. Start next. 7 twos are 14. Decimal. 4 is not divisible, so you will write 0. This will become 49. Single digit is not divisible, so I have written 0. 7 sevens are 49. Answer is 2.07. Is it okay? Do these questions. ये मुझे दे दो. Answer of the first part is, बोलो, करो. Done. Start next from the book.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, 0.99.
0.99.
Ma'am, 99.
Okay. Aryan, Aryan. Roll number 9 है. Next is Ashima. भी रख लो. Ashima. नेक्स्ट का आंसर क्या है? 0.16. 0.16. Start next. Start next, third part. Ritisha.
Ma'am, answer will be 0.84. I'm sorry, 48.
0.48.
48.
Okay. 0.48. गुनीत नेक्स्ट बोलो. संचित कैसा बच्चा है? संचित कैसा है पढ़ने में? नॉटी है? Answer of the next part is 5.25. 0.48. Next is 0.027. Okay. Done. Start next questions. This whole exercise you have to do today. This exercise is your homework. As we are doing this exercise in the class also, so you have to do again this exercise in the homework. 2.7. Start next. 2 zeros are there. Shift the decimal towards the left. 0.53. Start next. Hurry up, do these question number 7, 8, 9. Do next. 0005. है? अब ये करने हैं. हाँ, इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट लिखा है ना, ये करो. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट. रुद्र. रुद्र. .36 divided by 0.2. 3.25 divided by 0.5. 30.94 divided by 0.7. 0.5 divided by 0.25. 7.75 divided by 0.15. Start these questions. What's the answer of this ninth part? Ninth part, 2. Answer of the ninth part is 2. Start next. Yes, see this part, how you will solve this. You will remove this decimal. It will become 1 digit is there after the decimal. So you will put 1 0 in the numerator. So it will become 2. 2 ones are 2. 18. 180. Answer is 180. Sameer Sharma. Start next. Answer of next part is 6.5. How you will solve this second part? 3.25 divided by 0.5. Remove decimal 10, remove decimal 100. 0 will cancel out. 325 upon 5 into 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 2 is left, 5 5s are 65 upon 10. That is 6.5. Is it okay? Start next. Do each and every question where decimal is there in both the terms. You will remove the decimal and you will divide, and then whatsoever 0 is left, you will put decimal for that. Hurry up. Answer of next part is 44.2. Okay. Answer of third part is 44.2. Start next. Start fourth part. Zero 0.5 50 upon 25. 5 tens are 50 upon 25. Answer is 2. Start next. Hurry up, hurry up. What is perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle. Formula. Two into length plus breadth. Apply the formula and get the answer of each and every question from 4 to 9. Then we will discuss the answers. Hurry up. You have 2-3 minutes. Solve these questions. If you have done these questions, do question number 6 of exercise 2.7. Now, what's the answer of this fifth part? Answer of this fifth part, yes. Guneet, bolo. 40. Is it correct? .75 upon 0.15. Duster. Remove this decimal. 100 upon 100. This will cancel out. 775 upon 15. Cancel it with 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 3 5s are 15. डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा, डेसिमल में आ रहा है आंसर. आंसर डेसिमल में आ रहा है. हाँ, डेसिमल में आएगा आंसर. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 2 is left. 3 6s are 18. 2 is left. 3 6s are 18. क्या हुआ? अच्छा, यहाँ पे ना बुक में 2 दिया हुआ है तो पूरा डिवाइड हो रहा है. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आप नेक्स्ट कर लो। अगर आप यहाँ पे 0.15 की जगह 25 लेते हो ना, देन इट विल बी कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल। ठीक है, तो मैंने 15 लिख दिया, इसलिए एग्जैक्ट आंसर नहीं आएगा, जो आंसर फाइंड किया वही आएगा 51.66। ठीक है, स्टार्ट नेक्स्ट। यस, बोलो। 500 नहीं आ सकता, 510 डेसिमल रिमूव करके नंबर, इज इट करेक्ट? डेसिमल रिमूव करके 100, इधर 10 कैंसिल, कटिंग कर लो, क्या बच रहा है? 765/15 इंटू 10, कैंसिल इट विथ 5 से कटिंग कर लो। 5 3 जा 5 1 जा 5, 5 5 जा 25, 5 3 जा 3, 5 जा 15, 3 1 जा 3। ठीक है, 510। ओके, स्टार्ट नेक्स्ट। Answer of next part is start 7th question. 27. Okay, answer of this 7th question is 27. Start next. Side of triangle is given. What is perimeter? What is the formula for perimeter? Sum of all sides. Perimeter of triangle equal. If it is equilateral triangle, then it will be 3 multiplied by side, or you can take, if it is any type of triangle, you can add their sides, added sides. And the perimeter will be sum of all sides, that is 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2. Answer is 3/2. Always remember, whatsoever figure is given, perimeter is always sum of sides. Length is given, breadth is given, find the perimeter, and the formula for perimeter is twice of length plus breadth. Length is 1/2, breadth is 1/5. Take LCM and multiply it with 2. Answer is yes, everybody check your answer. LCM is 10, and after adding, it will become 7/10.